Hi guys, I'm Aman and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to build an RC skating robot. So let's begin. So you'll need two of these mini gear motors for this, and I have also attached the wheels here. And you'll need a wooden board and two of these wooden pieces. And you'll need this super glue here, so you can glue the motors onto the wooden pieces. Just apply a little drop onto the wooden piece and then gently attach the motor onto the wooden piece right here. And do the same with the other one too, and apply a little drop onto the piece and then just attach the motor on, just like this. Now just gonna wire these motors with the RC here. So let's do that now. Okay, I'm just gonna wire these motors up. Okay, just gonna attach this board onto the motors right here. Yep, just like that. And do the same with the other motor right here. Okay. Yep, just attach it onto the motor. And cut. Now just gonna attach the RC onto the board right here. So let's do that now. Yep, just like that. This is the battery. Now just gonna put it behind this RC here, and now I'm just gonna attach it with a rubber band or maybe some tape. Okay, so I decided to put a rubber band over here and attached the battery. Okay, so let's test how it works. Yep, it's working now. Okay, just move. Yep. Yep, it's good. Now from another angle, it can turn around, move forward, move backwards. It can turn out again. Now multiple times. Yeah, it's good, right?